The 7 primary sources of energy for human cells. Did you know that there are just 7 primary sources to energize your cells? And the first one is going to be quite surprising because it is air. That is your primary source of energy. And I don't think most people would have guessed that. The second one is water. And that might not be quite as surprising because we talk about hydration quite a bit. So water is the second source. The third source is your primary food, and primary food comes from your spiritual connection. We are spiritual beings and we need to connect with the divine, whether it's walks in the park, being in nature, prayer and meditation, going to church, whatever your way is of connecting with the divine. The fourth source of energy is your secondary food, and that's your nutrition, your macronutrients and your micronutrients. Okay, so the macronutrients, carbs, fats, and proteins, micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, probiotics, omega-3s, and so forth. That is number 4. Number 5 is R&R, rest and relaxation. We need to give a chance to recharge our batteries. Just like our phones at the end of the day, we need to plug those in. In our case, we need to unplug, and that's how we recharge, but we need to have that renewal for our cells as well for our energy. Number 6 is relationships. Did you ever notice how some relationships, people seem to almost kind of tire you out? They're almost like they're energy vampires, some people call them. It's kind of harsh, but can feel like that. And then there's some people who really energize you. And those are the people that you resonate with. Okay, those people that you don't resonate with, they're not bad. It's just that they're just not on the same kind of frequency or wavelength that you are. So you want to surround yourself with people that you resonate with, and they'll energize you. And then the 7th one is actually exercise. So exercise, you want to start slow, 10 minutes a day, just do a little bit every day, always try to increase and work your way up slowly. So there you have it, the 7 sources of energy for human cells.